Hello and welcome, I'm Justin from Cognito Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you the new Cognito X3 Can-Am 2-seat door kit. First thing I want to show you is how the OEM Can-Am X3 doors have a lack of full coverage. As you can see, there's a big opening down here in front of the door. The new Cognito opening doors, they're a full coverage door, which is going to help protect you from getting water splashes inside in this area, or even debris kicked up from the front tires. The next thing I want to show you is how you open the OEM Can-Am X3 door. They have this tether strap here, which most people find a little awkward to use rather than a lever. Also, if you're outside of the car, you have to find that tether to pull on it to open the door. With the Cognito door, the latch is easy to find, but also there is an external button to open the door. So I can open the door from right here. And then when I'm inside the car, I have a latch right here. Another feature I want to explain is we use a gas strut to help hold the door open. The X3 OEM door, if you open it like this, it's inherently going to want to shut itself because of gravity. So with the gas strut in place, it helps hold the door open so you can do your thing, get in your storage bags or whatnot, and the door isn't trying to shut on you and you're trying to hold it open with one arm. Our frame is a steel frame. Adjustable, so you can get the door lined up nicely on the chassis. All the chassis seem to float around a little bit, so having some adjustment back here at the hinges is pretty important. I'm going to go ahead and sit in the car, show you what they look like with the door shut. So we've got a nice ergonomic handle here to pull the door shut, and when I want to open the door, I got my latch right here. I don't have to pull a tether. Nice billet latch right there. And again, if you're outside of the car, you can either grab the latch right here or you can push the button right here. The OEM door is an aluminum door frame, obviously the tether strap, but also a plastic panel. The Cognito door is a sheet metal aluminum skin with a steel inner frame that comes all the way down to the bottom of the door. Now these doors are going to come assembled right out of the box, just like this, ready to bolt onto your car. Thorough instructions, very comprehensive. You just have to get your hinges adjusted and then the latch adjusted, get your gaps all set right, and the door is ready to go. But one of the things we do to make sure that the skin doesn't rattle on the frame is we pre-install foam in between the door frame and the door skin so you don't get rattles. So the door sounds solid and it shuts solid just like that. You can see the quality of the door in here. We're using Zeus fasteners, quarter turn fasteners to attach the skin to the door. So if you want to add the door bags later on, you just turn the quarter turn fasteners, pull the skin off, and then you can add the door bag on and then put the skin right back on. It's real easy. You don't have a bunch of screws and nuts to undo and then put back together. The latch is adjustable. We got a linkage here from our arm down to the actual latch, and setting the adjustment of the doors is pretty straightforward. If you follow our instructions, we did a really good job of making them really comprehensive. I just showed you the major details of the new Cognito X3 2-seater opening door kit. Powder coated black. There's your fit and finish. These are available at cognitomotorsports.com, and there's free shipping to the lower 48. Thanks for being a loyal customer, and thanks for following along.